So the tip I want to share with you today is actually one that I shared a few days ago, and that was to shoot with intention. And what does that mean? It means just basically know what you're shooting, know why you're shooting it, and prepare for it. So I did a video for Iceland when I went in November of last year. And that'll be linked up there, which I think you should actually watch, because what I ended up doing was every single thing I did there was I planned it. I planned the road trip through Iceland. I planned my voiceover. I planned the music I was going to use before I even shot a single frame. And I planned which lenses and everything I was going to do. In other words, I basically created the video before I actually made the video. I basically edited it in my head, knowing what color grade I was going to use, where I was going to shoot, what shots I was going to shoot, and that helped me build a better edit, a more meaningful video, if you will. So the only thing you really need to do in this situation is know how your audience should feel. Because if they are meant to feel sad, and it is a sunny day outside and everyone's laughing, they're not going to feel that. But if it's going to be cold, not a lot of saturation in the frame, and it's kind of blue, they're going to feel sadder much more easily. And that's what shooting with attention means. What do you want your audience to feel? So I hope you enjoyed the video. I would appreciate it if you like and comment and subscribe and tell me what you did like in the video and you didn't like in the video. I'm hoping that these shorter videos are working, that they're helping, and I hope they help you get something out of the video, because if you watch it and you don't comment, I'm guessing what might be the right answer, and I don't enjoy guessing. I'd rather know that I can give you guys the right content